When I left school, I wanted to go and work for my father's business. My dad owns a company called Vergola. It's an opening and closing roof system. Left school, went to work for him, and he said, "No, you're not working for me." I said, "Why? Why not? That's my path." And he said, "No, you need to go get a job." So he made me go get a job. I became a mechanic apprentice, which was terrible. I didn't like that at all. I eventually finished my trade, went to Dad and said, "Now can I work for you?" Because my dream was always to work for Vergola. He said, "Yeah, sure, go and ask the factory manager for a job." I said, "All right." So I went and asked him. He said, "You can sweep floors." So I started on the floor, sweeping floors for Vergola for about 2 years. Worked my way up through the ranks there. Eventually got into the sales team. And then sort of started to realise that this was always going to be my dad's business, not my business. And I wanted to do something for myself to prove that I could take something from nothing and turn it into whatever I wanted it to be.
We started very small out of a little shed about 8 years ago, me and my brother. I was making them in the factory by myself. Leigh was out on the road selling them. To start it from nothing and build it into this today, it's been a long road. My brother is, not many people get to work with family, and to build a business with him is something that I'll be ever grateful for. Every day we get to see each other, work with each other. It's fantastic. I mean, I couldn't ask for anything better.
So we sort of stumbled across Safetyline Jalousie while we're down in Adelaide. We liked the look of it, went over to France to visit the guys, decided that this was the product for us. Came back to Australia, started in basically a 2-car garage, and sort of the rest is history, really.